Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to cast from Macbook to Firestick. Let's go. Your Macbook and your Fire TV must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open Apps. App Store. Find and install airscreen app. Continue. Open link. Open screen mirroring. Choose airscreen. Done. That's it. Now you know how to cast from MacBook to Firestick. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.